Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain penetration testing methodology. Okay, so please like and subscribe. Okay, let's start. Penetration testing methodology. Okay, the various phases in the penetration testing methodology. Okay, first one is information gathering. Information gathering is one of the major step of the penetration testing. Okay, it is the first phase in the penetration testing process. It is done using various tools, scanners, online source, sending simple http request and specially crafted requests. Okay, so this is the information gathering. Next is vulnerabilities analysis. Vulnerability analysis is method of identifying vulnerabilities on network. Okay, it provides overview of the flaws that exist in system or networks. Okay, next is external penetration testing. Okay, external penetration test is conducted to know whether the external network is secure or not. Okay, in external penetration testing, hacking is done in the same way the actual attacker does, but without causing any harm to network. Okay, this helps in making the network more secure. Okay, various method used in external penetration testing like footprint, public information and information leakage, and DNS analysis and DNS brute forcing. Okay, and port scanning, system fingerprinting, service probing, and intrusion detection, and password service strength and testing. Okay, so this method used in external penetration testing. Okay, next is internal network penetration testing. In internal network penetration testing, all the possible internal networks flaws are identified and simulated. Okay, if real attack has taken place, various methods used for the internal network penetration testing like port scanning, internal network scanning, system fingerprinting, limited application layer testing, and manual vulnerability testing and verification. Okay, and manual configuration weakness testing and verification, database security control testing. Okay, and third party. Okay, so this method using internal network. Okay, next is router and switches penetration testing. Router switches penetration is carried out to determine end-to-end router security and bandwidth and speed of the internet connection. Okay, next is firewall penetration testing. Firewall penetration testing is one of the most useful methods in analyzing security effectiveness. Okay, this method you can identify how secure your firewall network is against the attack performed by network intruders. Okay, next is IDS penetration testing. IDS means intrusion detection system. Okay, उसकी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दी है. Okay, intrusion detection system can be software or hardware. Okay, IDS penetration testing help you test the strength of IDS. Okay, it can be performed with the help of tools such as IDS Informer and Evasion Gateway. Okay, so next is wireless network penetration testing. Okay, wireless network are more economical than wired network. Okay, wireless network are cheaper. There are various risks associated with them. A wireless network is less protected than wired one. Okay, wireless network must be tested strictly and the respective security enhancement must be applied. Okay, so this is the wireless network. Next is denial of service penetration testing. The main purpose of denial of service attack is to slow down the website or even to crash it by sending too many requests, more than a particular server can handle. Okay, if the attacker knows the details of server and technical specification, it become more vulnerable. Okay, sometimes denial of service is done on trial and error basics. Okay, so the penetration tester must check how much the website or server can withstand. Okay, it is also necessary to provide alternative ways to react the situation when the limit exceed. Okay, so this is the denial of service penetration testing. Next is password cracking penetration testing. Okay, password are used to protect computer resource from unauthorized access. Okay, password cracking penetration testing identifies the vulnerabilities associated with password management. Okay, this helps is avoiding various kind of malicious attacks such as brute force attack, hybrid attacks and directory attack. Okay, next is social engineering penetration testing. Social engineering is method used by attackers to get crucial information of company. Okay, attacker especially target individual within the organizations to gather as much information as possible about the company. Okay, this is completely documented and then the employees are educated about possible social engineering attack and caution about various threats. Okay, so this is the social engineering penetration testing. Next is stolen laptops, PDA and cell phones penetration testing. Okay, penetration tester should find out the possible loopholes in physical locality and identify the various ways that intruder can enter into the company. Once the important electronic device that contains sensitive information of the company are stolen, you can extract the information from this stolen device. Okay, such information testing proves the very beneficial. Okay, penetration tests are done especially on senior members of the company as their PDAs, laptops and mobile phones often contain sensitive information. Okay, next is source code penetration testing. Penetration tester should perform source code analysis by using some source code analysis tools. Okay, these tools will help the pen tester to detect the vulnerabilities in source code. Okay, next is application penetration testing. Programmers make some mistake at the time of software creation. Those mistakes can become potential vulnerabilities. Okay, application penetration testing helps in determining the design error of software. Okay, next is SQL injection penetration testing. Penetration tester should perform SQL injection penetration testing on the application in order to find out the vulnerabilities in the application. Okay, pen tester should try to simulate different types of SQL injection attack to find the possible vulnerabilities. Okay, so this is the SQL injection penetration testing. Next is physical security penetration testing. Here the penetration tester tried to gain physical access to the organizational resource before, during and after business hours. Okay, all the physical security controls must be properly tested. Okay, so this is the physical security testing. Next is surveillance camera penetration testing. Okay, surveillance camera can be used to monitor the live target. The surveillance camera can be prone to security flaw due to non-robust design of the web interface created for the surveillance camera activities. Okay, as a pen tester, you should try to find out vulnerabilities in the web interface of the surveillance camera. Okay, you should do the following things to test the surveillance camera. Like the web interface should be completed debug. Try to look for the injection points from where the motion images are included remotely. Okay, then validate the image path. Okay, then create the different motion pictures record and editor in order to validate motion or pictures record by surveillance camera whether they are same or not. Okay, so these things are following surveillance camera. Okay, next is database penetration testing. In this process, penetration tester tries to directly access data contains in database or indirectly accessing the data through triggers or store procedure executed by database engine. Okay, this method helps in avoiding unauthorized access of data. Okay, next is VPN penetration testing. Okay, sometimes employees are allowed to work from home or remotely, and such situation, okay, there are lots of security issues associated with VPN. Okay, so the penetration team attempts to gain access to the VPN through the remote endpoint or VPN tunnel and check the vulnerabilities. Okay, so this is the VPN penetration testing. Next is cloud penetration testing. Cloud computing systems are widespread today. There are risks associated with cloud computing. Organizations must figure out this risk and apply proper security mechanism to protect against potential risk. Okay, to find out the vulnerabilities in cloud based application, conduct penetration test on the cloud. Okay, so this is the cloud penetration testing. Next is virtual machine penetration testing. Attacker can exploit the virtual machine security flaws by running malicious code on virtual machine. Okay, the pen tester needs to find out the vulnerabilities in the VM by simulating the actions of attacker before a real attack occurs. Okay, so this is the virtual machine penetration testing. Next is war dialing. Dial up modem used by companies have various vulnerabilities. This allows attacker to hack system or network easily. Okay, wire dialing penetration testing will be useful, like to know the password related vulnerabilities. Okay, and to know the whether there is any open source access to organization system or not. Okay, next is virus and trojan detection. Okay, virus and trojan are most widespread malicious software today. Once the system and network, these are very dangerous. Early detection of virus and trojan is very important. Okay, next is log management penetration testing. Management log contains record of all events that use a data grid network. Okay, it contains the complete track of events such as status of node, agent transmission, job request, or etc. Okay, the proper log management helps in tracking any malicious activity such as unauthorized access from outside attackers at an early stage. Okay, so this is the log management penetration testing. Next is file integrity checking. Okay, checking the integrity of file is the best way to tell whether it is corporate or not. Okay, it involves checking the following things like file size, version, when it was created, when it was modified. Okay, and the login name of any user who modifies the files. Okay, and its attributes like example read only, hidden, system, or etc. Okay, so this is the file integrity checking. Okay, next is mobile device penetration testing. Mobile penetration testing, the pen tester tried to access and manipulate the data on the particular mobile device, simulating all possible attacks such as using social engineering, uploading malicious code. Okay, mobile device penetration pinpoints and addresses gaps in end user awareness and security exposure in this device before attacker actually misuse and compromise them. Okay, so this is the mobile device penetration testing. Okay, next is telecom and broadband penetration testing. Pen tester tries to determine the vulnerabilities in the broadband connection of particular corporate network. Okay, the pen tester simulates different types of attacks such as unauthorized access, installation of malicious software, okay, denial of service attack on broadband connection, okay, to check whether the network withstand these types of attack. Okay, so this is the telecom and broadband penetration testing. Next is email security penetration testing. Okay, email security penetration testing helps to check all the vulnerabilities associated with an email mechanism. Okay, next is data leakage penetration testing. Okay, penetration testing of data leakage helps in following ways, like preventing confidential information from going out the market or the competitors. Okay, allows increasing internal compliance levels for data protection. Okay, and improve awareness among employee on safe practice. Okay, and will be useful to easily demonstrates compliance to regulations. Okay, so this ways helps the data leakage penetration testing. Okay, so thank you for watching.